In this video, I will be showing you how to get better YouTube recommendations. Let's get started. First, I open Google Chrome and click on the address bar. I type in YouTube and search for it. I click on the official YouTube link to open the website. Once YouTube loads, I scroll down through my home feed to see what videos are currently being recommended to me. As I browse through the recommendations, I find a video or channel that I am not interested in seeing anymore. I click on the three vertical dots next to the video title to open the options menu. From the list, I select Don't Recommend Channel. YouTube confirms that videos from this channel won't be recommended again. Next, I scroll down a bit further to see more recommendations. I spot another video that I don't care to watch. I click on the three dots beside its title, and this time I select Not Interested. YouTube removes the video and gives me feedback options. Now, to reset and train the algorithm even further, I go to the left side menu and click on History. This opens my Watch History page. On the right side panel, I click on Manage All History. This redirects me to my Google Activity page for YouTube history. Here, I locate the Delete button with a small drop-down arrow next to it. I click on Delete, and a menu appears with options. I select Delete All Time. A confirmation pop-up appears listing the history that will be removed. I move down to the bottom right of the pop-up and click Delete. YouTube confirms that the deletion is complete. I click Got it to close the modal window. Now I go back up to the browser tabs and close the YouTube History tab to return to YouTube. I click on Home from the left menu to refresh my feed. Because all my past history is cleared, YouTube displays a blank feed asking me to search to get started. I click on the search bar at the top, type in Educational Videos, and press Search. I scroll down through the search results to find a topic I actually want YouTube to recommend. I click on a video to start playing it. After letting it play for a bit to register in my history, I click on the YouTube logo in the top left corner to head back to the homepage. Now, YouTube begins recommending fresh, relevant videos based on my new activity. That is how you get better YouTube recommendations. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.